Hello everybody! So today, as you may have read in the title, we are doing a sketchbook tour. And as you may see, my sketchbook is a bit big. I know usually people like more little sketchbooks, so that they don't feel pressured and stressed about filling it. But I like my things big, so I got a big one. And it has 160 sheets, so it's 320 pages, and I try to fill both sides, so we have a lot to go through. It's pretty thick, so I don't know if I'll make two parts or just one big video. You'll see, you will know. I don't know for now, but we'll see. So let's begin. So I started it back in April 2016 and finished it 2 months ago at the end of June 2017. And at first I tried to make some kind of organization with post-it notes, but I didn't follow through and gave up pretty quickly because it was useless. I mean, a sketchbook is supposed to be messy, so that was okay with me. Okay, so this was actually my first sketchbook, so I didn't really know what to do at first, so I only filled one page and I just wrote his name on the other side, and it was pretty bland, I guess. So I tried to make my OCs, so those are the first design I made for them, but they changed quite a lot. So you had Ivan, Bahia, Jean, he changed a lot, and Nanebala. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty empty everywhere, but I got better. Then I've made some thumbnails for my Ghibli watercolor series. I never finished it, so maybe I should redraw the old ones I did and actually finish it this time. So I got some thumbnails and then individuals, and then again I didn't fill this side, but now I do. So yeah, you have Chihiro, this one was Kiki, Halls Moving Castle, Ponyo, and then I didn't. So I have made 4, and then I have left some blank pages so that I could do it later, but I never did it, so we'll see if I do some then. So it wasn't long after I got my first watercolors, so I did some sketches. This paper is really not good for watercolors, but I do keep doing watercolor sketching in this because I don't really have any watercolor sketchbooks, so I do with what I do. So yeah, it was a random character. I was trying to redesign my avatar at the time, and I was still named Bois, so that was an idea. This was a character, I guess, made by Scribble, another fellow YouTuber. We became friends like 2 years ago, a long time ago. And so I drew it because well, I didn't know what to do, and I never showed it to her, so if she is watching this, well, this was for you. Then those are my friends OCs. So you have Kiba and Nawa. They're supposed to be a couple, I guess. I don't really know because it's been a long time. So yeah, as you can see, my style changed quite a bit too. I hope so, at least. Then you have the first drawing I ever did of Brooke. So yeah, it was pretty buggy and not really good, but that was what I did at the time. Some other sketches of characters that should be featured in my comic, but I don't. Well, I'm not sure about her, but this one, yes, but she changed completely changed, different character. I was trying some changes in Bahia's design. Well, I don't like it, and I was trying to make some thumbnail for a piece that I did for my brother. It was actually the first piece that I did a voiceover on, so the video is still on my YouTube channel, but please don't watch it. No, it was my first voiceover, it wasn't good. Still today my voiceovers aren't good, but it's even worse. Some characters in my comics, they're supposed to be the mothers of Jean. Some other characters, named Pum and Mie. The name Pum, I use it for every character that aren't named yet, so, well, I don't really know. But I do really like her, so maybe I will keep her. Then again, trying some avatar and YouTube banner things, but yes, I wasn't really inspired. That was me with a beard because I wanted one, and me and Scribble. Then again, I never showed it to her, sadly. Some thumbnails again for that piece for my brother. It took me months to do it, and well, you will see a lot of sketches for that piece. Bahia again, trying to make her look cool and interesting. So then you have Nanibala and Jean, so they changed quite a lot already from the first sketches, but they're still not quite there. At the end of the sketchbook they are good how I want them, but for now they look a bit different. What do we have here? It was a thumbnail for a piece I wanted to make with my OCs, where they would be surrounded by flowers that would go well with them. But well, I never did it. I mean, look at him. He looks like he's taking a shower with flower. I don't want that. Then some sketches of my brother's OC. It's Dragon Tiger. I have made a piece actually for that too, so it is still on my channel. Then we have Ivan and Jean, some sketches of him. This was a girl that was in my dream. Well, it wasn't. I didn't really do it well, but yeah, I had a dream and there was a girl like this. It was cool. I like the colors. Nice. I tried to make some kind of deep shit, but it didn't work. It's basic, uninspired art. Then some OCs that died. I mean, I don't really think about them anymore. They don't even have a name, so. Well, apparently I didn't want to draw, but I wanted to fill that page anyway. I tried to work on what do you call that? Foreshadowing? Perspective? Yeah, so I tried to do that. Well, I guess it's okay. This one is ugly shit, and it is. You won't see that. I tried to design sword and weapons for Nanibala, but I don't think she even has one anymore. So yeah, and some outfits, and I really like them, so I should draw them again. Then you have Jean. His body is so wrong. Ooh, no. Yeah. Babies, Jean and Nanibala. Tried foreshortening again. This is another book. It's getting better, but not there yet. Oh, sorry. Ivan. Then this is a corrupted book. Well, this won't be kept in the story, but it was there. And this is Harry Potter. Yeah, my boy. Then you have Bahia and Ivan. I love this outfit. I should keep it. It was a angsty piece apparently. Some sketches of Connie and Steven in Steven Universe. If they would be a bit older, but yeah. And then I wanted to make a piece for the Pokemon Sun and Moon, and I had this idea, but then I changed my mind. And I have actually the piece still on my channel, so it's the starters, but they are all evolved in their last evolution. So you can see that if you want. This is a sketch of the goddess in my story, and well, it's not. She doesn't look special enough, and the ears are useless. They don't make any sense. Then you have Bahia again. I tried to give her straight hair. It didn't work. I really had a problem with her design. I don't know, I didn't really like her. But now I do. So this is Ivan and Bahia. They were supposed to be together, and it's no. It was a bad idea. I changed my mind, and now it's good. So this is me. I was watching Lost, and my favorite character died, so I was pretty sad. Bahia again, trying to give her hair, and then something else. Yes. This is Nanebala, but as a child. My daughter. Then you have Jane and Nanebala. They look already a bit more mature, but they have really big eyes. And they don't anymore. So this was a guy I saw in the streets. He had some magnificent hair, so I had to draw him. Then this is a banner sketch again. This is a rainbow elf, because in his story, my brother has a lot of elves, and well, I was like, oh, it was a joke between us, so I don't expect you to really understand. This is a sketch for a watercolor piece I did of Steven and Lapis, and then again the piece is on my YouTube channel if you want to see the finished product. This is some sketches for my story. This is supposed to make sense, but don't worry, it's not just a cycle. Then you have Asian house. I never finished it, but it began well, I guess. It was nice. Then you have Ryan, my son. So he is my first character, human character I ever made. I was 8, and that's him. Yes. Then you have sketch I did in brush marker, but I didn't have any sketch under it, so it's like whoosh and done. My back is hurting. It's not a good position. Oh boy. Then you have me. I wanted to make a new avatar, so I was like, okay, I do that, but then I did a body, and it's a nice body. Oh boy. Some ideas again, but it was just an excuse to draw myself because I'm narcissistic. Nanebala being freaked out. Oh boy. Yeah. This is not really practical. This is my world in my comic. This was supposed to be a thing in it, but it didn't exist. This is Sam Drake, and he looks so bad. Oh my god. It was the first time I drew him. And well, it's not good. It's not good at all. This was some Japanese lessons, because my friend has some Japanese classes, and I tried to learn with her, but I gave up. It's not my thing. I don't speak languages, except for English. Some watercolors things, trying to make things good, but they didn't turn out good. Yeah, boy. This was one dumb character, and this is Brooke. Yes, my boy. And he has some classy outfit. he's looking nice and sharp. Yes. Lots of Royans, so yeah. Him again, I have a really hard time drawing him because he's so old in my head, you know. I have had him for 8 years, so well, you know, I kind of have a hard time making him, I don't know, like drawing him, but in my head he doesn't really look like that. It's real, he's too old boy, but he's like actually one of my youngest characters in terms of the story. Sam Drake again, from Uncharted. This is a pen sketch. I should do that more because apparently it's good to sketch in pens, gel pens, so I should experiment with that. Sam Drake, young and less young. I really like Sam Drake. I really love Uncharted. I love Uncharted. Oh my god. I need to make fan art for the new one with Nadine and Chloe. This is Cassie from Uncharted again. And some sketches I did because I wanted to make a piece for my mother. And well, this was a thumbnail. And I remember doing that in my astronomy class. It sounds super cool when I said astronomy class, but really it wasn't. It was really interesting, and the professor didn't know what to do. It was bad. Well, some random people. Again, a sketch for that piece I did for my brother of my OC. Bahia and eyes, lots of them. And book! Yes! And then it was a thing on Tumblr, you had to say the first 10 songs that appeared in your phone. So I did that. And then you have Ryan as a child, because he used to have some kind of weird hairstyle. Well, I tried to make the handwriting challenge on Tumblr because I was tagged, but it didn't work, so I was like, scrap it! And then I did that. This one is looking really cool, I think. Oh, at that. Ah, that little robot from Star Wars? Okay. I don't know why you were there, but hello. Then you have Jane and Nanebala looking really cool and adult. Yes. Oh, I really love this drawing. To this day I still love it, even though it's old. Then you have Bahia and Ivan in different states of his life. And another Bahia. I love my characters. So yeah, I think I will do 2 parts because it's already pretty long, so I will stop at the middle of it. So yeah, this is the handwriting challenge. So when I finally did it, some friends from Tumblr. This is Sushi Trash today, and I don't know if I should say the name, but it was Dodimot. I mean, their usernames have changed, and this is actually my real life friend, so I did her in a different style. It was like shit posting because she's my actual friend, so yeah. Then this is my sister's OC, it's called Kyuzo, and this is some thumbnails I did for a piece I wanted to make for her, and I did it, and it is in my YouTube channel if you want to see. Bahia and Ivan, so no, they're not a couple, but he's really protective of her. And I tried to give her like a skin tone, but no, she has grey skin, and it's how it should be. I tried to do some things. This is René! So René is my character. This was him when he was younger, and it's supposed to be his girlfriend when he was younger, but she looks very scary, so she won't keep being like that, hopefully. This is Ryan, my boy. Some of my friends OC, so you have Asada and Rafael. He apparently really doesn't look like that, but I wanted to make him like that. Some Bahias, I tried then again to change her hairstyle, but I think I'm keeping that one. What what do we have next? Some fluffy chickens, because I like chickens. Serena, it's my brother's Aussie. You have some other Aussies, because I have lots of them. So you have Berenice, and those are her parents. In the story, she's an adult, but I just wanted to design them. I really love this guy. He looks so nice. She doesn't look nice, but... You have Brooke! Yes! Yes! Him. And Bahia, and I tried to design a comic page, but... well, I tried. Some other characters from my story. This is a prince, and this is a girl that works with Nanebala, or maybe not, I don't know, maybe I won't keep her, I don't know. This is ugly, so no. Yes. It's a sketch I wanted to make for a random piece, but well, I did a sketch but didn't make the piece. So we are going to see through my Inktober. We are almost in the middle, and when I finish Inktober, we'll stop the video, and this will be the first part. So this was my first witch for October. It was a seasonal witch, so it was just really, like, how do you say that? Like the witch by default that you see, like boom and hot. So this was a urban witch, so she was doing some shopping because she's in the city. And it's really messed up because like the legs looks like they are inside views, but her body is like in front view. So it's not good. No, I don't like this. The merchant witch, so I really like this. I like the line work on this. Yes. And the garden witch, so it was some kind of show of 3 marker challenge. And actually all my witches are on my YouTube channel. I did daily speed paints for that, but they weren't very good, but they're here if you want to. Then the socialite witch, I had to look that up because I didn't know what it meant, but apparently it's like a fashionable witch. So yeah, in my head she was like a Mexican mom witch, and I put some gold in it. Oh boy, that looks nice. The oracle. She's actually looking at another woman washing, because that's what she does. This is Ryan, I think? Yeah, no, this is Nanebala and Jean. Jean and Nanebala, so I tried to make some little Easter eggs in each bowl. Then you have the Tailor Witch. Oh yeah, that's her. Here she is. And I really like the idea of making her corset being like a thing you put the thread on it? I don't have any vocabulary. Sorry. This is a Blood Witch. It's a bit dark. This is a Lolita Witch, and well, here she is. The Wicked Witch. I love her. I think this is one of my favorite witches I did for this. The Solar Witch. I really like her too. She has a lot of gold. The Candy Witch. The Pixie Sprite. I like them too. They're nice. The Space Witch. I think she really looks like Summer from Rick and Morty. The Royal Witch. She doesn't look like a witch at all, but well, here it is. This was my idea. The Beastmaster Witch, and I think she really looks nice. And look at this! Look at this! This is a frog! I really like frogs. The Necromancer, I think it's cool, boy. This was also I like. The Music Witch, so she's like using her voice to trap people, especially men. The Technology Witch, and this one actually worked a lot on my social medias. People liked it apparently because of maybe the colors, I guess. The Mermaid. It wasn't really rich, but it was the point for the day. I like it. Oh, this one, I think this is one of my favorites too. It was the Potion Brewer. I didn't write the name, but yes, I think it's looking nice. The warrior witch, and the oracle is actually in love with her. So, little backstory. Then you have the magical schoolgirl. Well, lots of gold again. And I like her face. I like things. The lunar witch. So I tried to make the waves, because like the moon controls the oceans and things like that. So it was my idea, and I did like the moon phases on her outfit. Then you have the insect witch. I like really how the beetles came out. They look very shiny. Then you have the farm witch, and in there you can see a little potato, and this is supposed to be my friend. And yeah. My sketches are not very professional. So this is the end of my witches, because I stopped at day 26 and I left some blank pages so I could continue, but I never did, and I feel bad about leaving so much waste, but well, what can I do? I don't really want to go back and have a totally different style. So yeah, this will be the end of my first part. We approximately we did like half of this. So this is the end of the video, I guess. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will be there for my second part. I don't know when I will post it, but it will be there soon, hopefully. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.